In this video, I'll show you how to add someone to the private server on Roblox. Adding your friends to your private server on Roblox is super easy, but before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to add people to your private server, first thing first, simply go ahead and tap on the server and search for the specific game that you have created the server for. So I have the game right over here and I already created a server for this game, a specific game. So from the game homepage, I'm going to go ahead and click on the server and he'll get to see I already have a server created here. So now to add people to this server, you just have to go ahead and click on this three-dot line of that server and then click on configure. And from here, you just need to scroll down, make sure the friends allow is enabled, and then simply go ahead and click on add people. Now go ahead and search for the username that you want to add to your private server. And once you have searched with the username, he'll get to see the person has been showing up right here. I'm going to click on this and the person will be added. Now go ahead and click on add. And the person will be added to this private server. Now this person can easily join to this game and join to this private server that you have recently created. And this is how you actually can add any people to your private server in Roblox. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around and thank you very much for watching.